Hello everyone. Today we are going to see our next practical, that is configuring DNS server and client. So this is practical number 8 of computer network subject of SYBSCIT. Okay. So DNS means domain name system. We are going to configure DNS server. Okay. And for a DNS server we are going to use IP address 192.168.11, 192.168.1.5 for DNS client. So let us see the practical. DNS server is the one who is responsible for converting IP address into a web address. Okay, so we don't have to remember IP addresses, we just have to remember web address. So for that we are going to use one server. So here is the one generic server. Suppose this is our DNS server. Then next we need to take one PC. So this is our PC. Then this PC will act as a client for us, and for connection we need one switch. So we are using, suppose, this one switch. Okay, let us connect it by using copper straight through cable. So just connect it with the switch. Okay, so I think this switch don't have any Ethernet connection, so I just delete it. And so suppose I will take 2960. Okay, then connect using cable copper straight through, connect with fast Ethernet, then again switch to server connection. Okay, so that's it. Now we have to configure server. So just click on the server, go to desktop option, then IP configuration, and here we need to set the IP address 192.168.1.1. subnet mask is auto calculated here. We don't have to write default gateway. Just we need to put DNS server IP address, that is same 192.168.1.1. Okay, so that's it for server. Then next we need to configure PC. So just click on PC, go to desktop option, then IP configuration, and here we are going to enter IP address 192.168.1.5. okay, then subnet mask is auto calculated here. We need to enter here DNS server, that is the IP address of our server, that is 192.168.1.1. okay, so this DNS server IP address must be here, so that we can obtain the connectivity. Okay, so let us check the connectivity with the server. Here you can see the green lights, that means connectivity is set. Just we want to check it by using command prompt ping command. Okay, so ping, write the IP address of server 192.168.1.1. just click on enter button. Okay, so here we will get the sorry, here we get the output. Okay, so connectivity is set. Let us see how we are going to configure our DNS server. So this is our DNS server. Okay, just click on PC, go to web browser, and suppose here we type one URL www.mypage.com. okay, and click on enter. Okay, so here we will not get any output, or here we will just get the blank window. Okay, because we have it not configure this URL. Let us see how we are going to configure this. So for that, just click on a server, go to services, config tab, and then here are services option. Go to DNS button, then click on the on button here. Okay, this will enable the DNS service. Now we are going to add some name and the address. Okay, suppose our name of the web server is suppose www, name of the web page we can say, or web address for our server is www.mypage.com, and the IP address is 192.168.1.1. okay, just click on add button. So here we will see the records gets added. Okay, that means we have enabled or we have assigned this IP address a name, that is www.mypage.com. okay, so this name we call it a web address. Okay, so let us see how it works. So for that, just close this, again go to PC, just click on web browser and enter the URL www.mypage.com. okay, just click on go button. So here you can see the output. Okay, so this is the output of the page, which is by default a page of HTTP. okay, so here you can see HTTP service and is the file index.html. so all these contents we can see on the web browser of PC. okay, so just write here the content, suppose welcome to www.mypage.com. okay, suppose we have changed the content of this file. okay, just close it. Now again we can see what is the output of this page. Just click on go button. So here you can see the content, welcome to www.mypage.com. okay, so instead of writing URL, you can put IP address also, 192.168.1.1. click on go button. So again you will get the same output. okay, so this means that instead of using IP address, we can use web address, and the responsibility of DNS server is to convert IP addresses into web addresses. okay, so that's it about configuring web server, configuring DNS server and client.